Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Our Green Acres. I guess I'm on Our Green Acres Outdoors division. We got a crafts division as well, but we're gonna go with Outdoors division today. But I've got my Echo, my CS310. You can see it here. I've had this little saw. It's been a really good saw. I've had it for about 6-7 years, and it's out of warranty. But about 8 months ago, it just started cutting out on top end. You know, I've gone through. It's just out of the blue. It just started. Especially when you warmed, if you just warmed it up and revved it up, it would cut out when you were just revving it, the saw not cutting. It didn't do it as bad when you were in a cut. I tweaked the carburetor a little bit, but I got it too rich, but it's just been going on and on. I changed the air filter first, then I went for the fuel filter. I thought it was a fuel issue. I'm going to show you what it's doing, and what I finally found was the cure. I'm going to start it up here for you and let you see it. It's progressively gotten worse too, but so I went through everything. Like I said, I changed the fuel filter, the air filter. I got the air filter changed and still did the same thing. So I went online, every forum online I could think of, asked the question. I've got everything back from coil. It's an air leak. You know, you need to rebuild the carburetor, just anything possible. And it had several people that suggested I check the spark plug. You know, I learned something new, because that's what it was. There's a little spark plug here. It's a little $3.50 spark plug. I thought that if a spark plug went bad, you know, it didn't fire. But I mean, I guess you learn a new trick every day, because I had no clue that the spark plug could, you know. I never claimed to be a mechanic, but we bought a $3.50 spark plug right here. Put it in here, and I'll fire it up and go back and do the little cut test again. Okay, got the new spark plug in. Seems to be running better. We're back over here at the wood block. We're going to trim this end off and see how it runs in the cut. Okay, I think we're gonna call it done for today. Got a $3.50 spark plug, got my saw back to running. Spent a lot of time and thinking about that, working on it, trying to figure out what was wrong with it in one little part. But like always, I appreciate you watching our videos, and we're just going to hang out here in the sunshine in the woodshed. It's another good use for it to get out of the wind a little. But thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.